So after I went jeeping with these guys on the expert trails, I broke off and checked out this Tough Truck road course. That was kind of cool. With my terrible redneck lift and sway bar delete, this thing is god awful on anything that turns and any of these race course type deals. I'm gonna have to do like sway bar disconnects on a solid axle swap to make sure I actually have sway bars when I need them.
Yeah, that four there is really... Look.
Look at it push, understeer. It has no bump stops either, that is a problem. I blasted through the water here a bunch of times just because it's fun to be an idiot. I was surprised Tiffany didn't want to drive it through there because it was a ton of fun.
Dead last probably, right? How do you score that?
Loading up on the trailer, ready to leave. Talk to my new friends here. It's always good to meet new people.
Yeah, it's fun. Like I said, it's great to not fail.
I know it takes about 2 minutes to go from no doors to doors.
Are we kind of matches?
Goodbye, Broome-Tioga Sports Center, but this will not be the last time I'm there. Alright, so we're headed home now from Southern Tier Off-Road. It got stuck a few times, but did pretty good for being outgunned by 4 inches. And most of them had 35s and lockers and all that stuff. Just a spool and an open diff, and it did alright. It's only about an hour and a half from home, so it's well worth the drive.
It got stuck a few places where the other ones didn't, but if you figure functionality or fun per dollar, I'm sure it kicked their asses, because I got $1,500 in that thing total, and being that it's a turd, you could just send it too. Who cares? If it breaks, you got to get it back on the trailer. But That thing doesn't owe me any money at this point. I talked with the wifey on the way here, like, if it dies today, I've got my money's worth out of it. But we're still going. I lost a mirror due to a tree, but other than that, we're no worse for wear. So we'll keep pounding on that thing, and I'm still looking for another one. If I can find one that's not rusty, that's a decent price. I've kind of grown to love this thing a little bit, so when it does die, I gotta have something to replace it.
I was gonna get a video of how pretty the leaves are and all that, but the GoPro battery is pretty much dead, so much for that idea. The reservoir is actually kind of pretty this time of year. Actually spent some time to clean this thing up because it was pretty bad. And I'm finding this poor GoPro. So I mean, it's seen better days. It broke this off. It smashed the screen a long time ago. All that mud right in the SD card and the USB slot. Hopefully that's not the end of this thing.